Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to change your display name on Threads in 2025. So whether you want to refresh your style, update your brand, or you want to fix a typo, so make sure that you stick around till the end so that you get the tip on syncing it with your Instagram account correctly as well. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you need to launch your Threads mobile application and then log in into your account with the help of your Instagram page. Then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here you will see the edit profile option, so you need to simply tap on that. Over here in the top you will be able to see the name tab. So if you tap on the name tab, it is going to show you this type of prompt that would say your name and your username are synced with Instagram and can only be changed there, meaning that you will have to change the name of your Instagram and only then it will be visible in your Threads account. So here, in order to do that, you need to simply launch your Instagram mobile application, then tap on your profile icon in the bottom. Over here tap on the edit profile option and here tap on the name option. Now you need to start typing the new name here. Then once you are done editing, simply tap on this checkmark icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. This is going to basically save the new name in your Instagram account and it will be now visible in your Threads account as well. If it is not visible, you can just simply remove the Threads application from the background and launch it again in order to see the new changes. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just let me know that in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.